Unzito chapter 28 là chỉ trong năng cầu gì nó chỉ the things I have nó chỉ giả cho không của cú mua nó vậy cho không things nó cho không I have nó chỉ cú mua nó vậy thì cá luôn thì nó là những từ when you talk about things you own thấu có thả cho tê không có mua nó vậy rồi do có tu nó vậy such as furniture or pets hoặc hai cho tê trong to là chỉ tê chia này you can use the verb have có chỉ là lu have nó tao này you can also use it to talk about your qualifications and the appliance and rooms in your home thì có chỉ là lu have nó mu thả cho tên này không có nhau vào chế lo tên này chả bự lo hậu chế lo tôiอยากของhậu chế lo tao thiết này cái chế năng gọi gì ý nó chế chỉ là lu thì using nó chế chỉ have nó chế chỉ là lu have nó chế còn nó là bị sai thì I have a garage nó chế là ta tỏ hai cho thì cú mua lu chơi cho chế nó này cái nó chế chỉ là lu tu năng thiết kế là chỉ tiền nữ nó này chế she has thầu có she I nó chế chỉ là lu have để thầu tư cái chỉ là lu she là she he là she tên đại mũ nó chế chỉ là lu has này she has a yard nó chế tu bọn niên đó nếu mua lu va tỏ cá nó này lu va tỏ cá nó yard là she garden nó này xử lý năng gọi gì ó nó chế khi cho họ và của ta tỏ hai số nó đó how to form statements using have chế yếu sĩ lý cha nó nhỉ sĩ là lu have nó lý cha thấu số tụ tin năng xử lý thì subject nó chế hai số tụ tin năng nó nhỉ I you we they nó nhỉ thấu bé sĩ I cú nó chế sĩ là lu have nó lý cha you she have lý cha we she have lý cha chế tan cho bao là lu nó chế she have ý giả nó thế she thấu she bé từ bé là lu nó he she it nó chế she has nó nhỉ chế nhận giữ nó chế nhà thế có she là lu he she it nó chế she has a garage và có she số nó chế they have a garage nó nhỉ xử lý nữa nên gọi gì bé nó chế còn nó giờ có ít khó homework now they fill in the gaps using have or has nó chỉ có sau họ cá nó she là lu have là she has nó như vậy cũng có biệt tan từ nó này chỉ xử lý nó là qua dạng chữ là I have a house cũng mua ít lúc chế nó này khó nó she have vì thì she to I nó họ giờ tiệm sát tỏ nó chỉ có bé nó chỉ she là lu has vì thì he she it chỉ she has nó này chỉ có mà lấy ua đó nó nên gọi gì plow listen to the audio and mark who owns which object okay còn nó chỉ mà sao không lắm read the advertisement and answer the questions okay còn nó chỉ tới rồi ý nhiều nhua rồi là chỉ skip okay còn từ nó chỉ sử dụng như là có bên nó thiết số như là I have she has he has nó thiết đó chỉ mà mỗi sự ít nhiều giờ rồi nó vậy xử lý là sự hay thì have negatives nó vậy thầu là sự là luôn have negatives nó chỉ giống như là nó vậy bây giờ thì I have a bathtub nó chỉ giờ sự là luôn negative nó chỉ I do not have a bathtub nó vậy thì giờ cũng mua ít lúc đã để nó chỉ là lu negative nó chỉ cú chỉ mua lại nó này là lu negative nó chỉ mua nó vậy thì thế I do not have a bathtub là chỉ là thì do not can be shortened to don't thì có chỉ có lu rõ nó chỉ ขอ do not เทียดงนะเจหายอย่างก็แล้วก็ชีรู้แต่ I don't have a bathtub นะเจกูชิมัวอีรู้da day นะอย่างหาชีรู้เราตัวหนึ่งที่เป๊ะเราชีเราnữ là she đâu tu nữ bao nhiêu nữ chính năng là she in đó này cái she đó nó thì Jim has a bathtub thở lo luôn Jim nó chỉ biết thả ra tu năngที่เป๊ะว่าhay thì nữ nó này nữ chính năng lo luôn này thì she lu has nó giống như khó homework cóว่าsẽ số nó she lo luôn negative đâu has nó chỉ Jim does not นั่นน่ะแต่เสียมุว่าก็รู้นะจะ doesn't นั่นน่ะ Jim doesn't have a bathtub ขอนอวิธีจะเท่าว่าเป็นสีแล้วรู้ negative นะเป็นที่อยู่สีแล้วรู้ have นั่นน่ะจะส่วนเราเท่าก็สี has นะจะจีสีแล้วรู้เขานั่นแหละนั่นน่ะแต่是有这个是了路 negative 那这个就到是杀到那我 have 了但是个只是了路 negative เนาะdoesn't 了是 does not 那这有主要 has 那样那这มู能够以下那这 write each sentence in its other negative form 那这ขอน้อยshow 这个我 homework นะอย่า daily เขากูยังพอเคตาชเนาะแต่ขอน้อยแต่ I do not have a car นะจะกูชิมัวเชนะอย่ากูชิมัวรู้เชนะจะยาก็สีเรารู้ negative นะอย่า negative form นะรงอย่างเขาบอกตาว่าใช้ชนนะรงอย่างขอน้อยเทียขอน้อยนะจะสีเลยเนาะ I don't have a car นะอย่าจะขอน้อยเทียขอน้อยใช้อย่าขอชนน้อยอย่าคอนเดขอน้อยขอรู้นะอย่าอย่าต่อน้อยขอที่เป๊ะต่อน้อยขออย่างซื่อต่อน้อยอย่าGreendale doesn't have a church อย่าแต่ละชีเรารู้ doesn't นะเจก็ show อย่า show นะแล้ว show do not นะเจขอนะแล้ว show ขอรู้เลยก็ show คนเดียวนะแต่ Greendale does not have a church นะอย่าเจเขานะอีอย่างก็ show นะซึขอนึงก็ยีนะเจไป skip page เกิดสักคนนะที่เรารู้ have เนาะจะมั่วสีตรงนั้นเดาอย่างนะอย่าเอาไปอย่าโชว์อย่าเอาไปอย่าโทรเราซึ่งใช่ไหมเขาเนาะจะอย่าอีอย่างจีที่ว่าให้จะขอ have เนาะอย่าพอเรื่องจีเรารู้แต่ got เนาะเราขอ have เนาะอย่าจะฝังเดามาแล้วโชว์เนาะแล้วแต่ some English speakers especially in the UK use have got instead of have it means the same thingเรารู้แต่ have ที่เรารู้ have got เนาะจะใช้อีอย่างก็ได้เสียมื้อเทียรู้อเมริกาเนาะจะเลยเหนียชีซีรีส์ยอด UK เนาะจะเลยเหนียชีลินอนั่นอย่างซีรีส์ของเนาะนะอย่างแล้วแต่ we have a dog เนาะจะรู้ที่หนึ่งชีซึ่งจะรู้ชีแต่ I have a dog เนาะคืออะไรยิ่งก็เชื่อเลยพอเราชี I have got a dog เนาะเรายิ่งใช้อีอย่างก็ซึ่งนั่นอย่างแต่ชีมันยอดเลยอยู่ซาชีใช้สูเหนียชีลิจัดเถอะยังนึงก็ยีเก่าเนาะนะเจ how to form have got นะเจก็น้อยpositive เนาะมายเรารู้แต่กูมั่วเรารู้แต่ negative เนาะมายเรารู้แต่ชีมั่วแล้วนั่นน่ะอย่างภาษาเขาเนาะแต่ I have got a dog นะเจกูมั่วอีตัวเอามั่วอีตัว day แต่ชิมาตอนเนาะให้แต่positive มามั่วนะอย่างต่อเนาะ negative แต่ชิมั่วแล้วนะจะ he has not got a dog นะจะnữ tu chính năng đó chỉ mua ít tu out là chỉ ít tu day นั่นอย่างแล้วชีมั่วชอบก็รู้นะจะ he hasn't got a dog แต่ชีใช้อีอย่างก็ชนเนาะซึ่งแต่ชีเตาอ้ออย่างเลยเนาะตอนเนาะกูอย่างที่อย่างแต่ก็มั่วชอบก็รู้นะจะ I have got a dog นะจะก็ I've นะอย่างI've เนาะอย่ามั่วอย่างนี้ตัวนี้ I've got a dog นะอย่างโอเคจะขอนอจะยาก็ลี homework นึงก็ยีก็อีเนาะจะ write each sentence in its other two forms nó chỉ có một số ở nhà để xử lý sát tao nó ya có example nó chỉ she has a computer nó chỉ tu bao nhiêu đấy mua ít lúc computer nó chỉ có một số ở forms giống như tao nó chỉ thì she has got a computer nó ya thì she's got a computer nó này giống như có bên nhiều của sai tao lần này nó này nó này thì có nói cái lý homework ý cho trâu này nó okay chapter 28 ช่วงนึงก็ยีเจตาลินนะซึ